Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we see a basic construction. Let us see the question. Construct a tangent to a circle at a given point when the center of the circle is known. That means if the center of the circle is known, then we are going to draw a tangent to the circle from a given point. Before construction, here I would like to divide this space or the page into two parts, in which this side is, I am going to use this side is for construction. Here steps of construction. Here let us write steps of construction, and this place is for construction. Right. First, draw a circle. Draw a circle with center O of any radius. So first let us draw a circle of any radius. So here circle is done. Let us consider this center as O. Next, mark any point on its circumference. Mark a point P on its circumference. So here let us consider a point P. Here it can be taken anywhere, right? So here I would like to take the point. Here I am taking the point P. Now next step is join OP. Okay, let's join OP now. Okay, OP is joined, and here you do understand that we know that the angle between the radius and here the tangent comes. The radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees. So here let us extend little bit, because here we are going to draw perpendicular line. That's why here I just extended it. Now here what we need to do, construct angle P is equal to 90 degrees. See now how to construct 90 degrees. That is simple, bisecting 180. So here let us draw 180 degrees. Okay, this is 180, and let us bisect it to get 90. That means here we can take this position and approximately more than half of the radius. So you can cut one arc above it and on one arc below this, and now keep the position here, and again cut the previous arc, and here also cut this previous arc. Right. So now here take the points very carefully. So let us join all these points. See this one, P, and this one, this point P and this point. Right. That's all. Now here this is the required tangent. So let us name it as some xy. So here we can write the remaining steps now. Construct angle P equal to 90 degrees, or we can write angle OPX or OPY equal to 90 degrees. Anyway, that is correct only. So here hence XPY, here you can write that angle OPX or OPY is equal to 90 degrees. So hence X Y is the required tangent, and P is point of contact. P is the point of contact. So here we need to do small verification whether our construction is correct or not. Here angle OPX and OPY should be 90 degrees. Let us what here we will do small verification. Verification is here. We are going to measure angle OPX whether it is 90 degrees or not, and here angle OPY whether it is 90 degrees or not. So here let us do it. So let us use protractor to measure this. Here you see, observe carefully, this point, this one should be coincide with P, and this line should coincide with OP. See, observe carefully here. Yes. See, this point coincides with P and this is with O, and here you observe here this is 90 degrees. So OPX is measured. Similarly OPY, this point with P and this should be OP. Right. Here you observe this is P and this is OP, and here this is 90 degrees. Hope you are understanding clearly. So here let us mention it, angle OPX on measuring with protractor, we got it angle OPX as 90 degrees. Here the value should be 90 degrees. Here similarly angle OPY we got 90 degrees. Here we need the value 90 degrees. That means here this value and this value both are equal. Similarly here 90 and here 90 both are equal. That means here we get angle OPX is equal to 90 degrees and also angle OPY is equal to 90 degrees. Here that implies the angle between the angle, I think you are not able to see, I will move a little bit up. Right. The angle between radius and the tangent, radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees. So here we got 90 degrees. Hence xy is the required tangent. Xy is the required tangent. With this construction gets completed.